Holochain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Holochain. What's the current price of Holo? What's the price change occurring in the Holo? In this video, I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, my friends, this is the urgent news and very important for all Holo holders. But anyways, let's start the video, my friends. Before starting this video, I request everyone to please subscribe. My friends, if you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. So now in this time, the price of the Holochain is 0.006 USD dollar. 0.006 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Holochain, and furthermore you can see the price of the Holo in a Bitcoin and a BTC, market cap, total supply of the anchor coin available, Holochain available supply, and 24 hours trading volume. Every update is on the front of your eyes. My friends, let me show you more about the Holochain. So now in this time, from yesterday the price of the Holochain start pumping, but now unfortunately in the last 60 minutes, in the last hour, the price is again fast down. So that's why this is the urgent news for all of you, that my friends, now in this time every coin is fast down in the last hour, but you have to hold, be patient, and wait for the huge pump. Wait, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.